Supreme Court to examine if there is absolute right to protest after already having moved Constitutional Court for remedy. Supreme Court said this is in context of a plea by the Kisan Mahapanchayat seeking a nod for protests at Jantar Mantar, transfers its plea in Rajasthan High Court against farm laws to itself. Meenakshi joining me on the phone line. Meenakshi, over to you. We are sharing information about Supreme Court deciding to examine if the right to protest is absolute. So is this going to be a way to define the contours, the limits of protests, as it were?
Well, Afrida, this will definitely, what this will do is redefine the right to protest, because remember, thus far, the right to protest, according to the Supreme Court as well in the Shaheen Bagh judgment, is a constitutional right. But here, the point that the Supreme Court is looking to demarcate is what is the point of protesting once that particular contentious issue has already been challenged before a constitutional court, in this case, the Supreme Court. So the Supreme Court today, again, asking the farmer body here, and I quote, where is the question of going for protest once party has approached court challenging validity of laws, unquote. So that is the point of law that the Supreme Court will be examining going forward. Remember, 3 farm laws have already been stayed by the Supreme Court, and these acts are not in place. So the Supreme Court has wondered today to the farmers' body as to what are these farmer bodies protesting still, because this is the third time the Supreme Court is asking such specific questions to the farmers' bodies. Remember, Friday was the day when Mahapanchayat, Kisan Mahapanchayat, which is a splinter group, had moved the Supreme Court saying that it is not officially a party to the ongoing Kisan protests, which are presently underway. However, it wishes for permission to launch another protest in interior of Delhi at Jantar Mantar, which the Supreme Court had frowned upon. And today, the Supreme Court again took stock of the issue and pointed out as to how or where is the scope of protest once the contentious farm laws are already sub judice before the Constitutional Court. So this is the aspect of law that the Supreme Court will be examining going forward. The Supreme Court has clearly stated that this is a broader question of law, which requires further judicial evaluation, Frida, going forward. So the Supreme Court will examine if there is an absolute right to protest after already having moved the constitutional courts for remedy.
Okay. Thanks for joining us, Meenakshi, and for giving us the right perspectives on the story.